ni Chef?
Because of that,
Halak
strength
ba?
became a shield. Silence became my protection. So today, I stand here not just as a strong social girl, but as someone who learned that vulnerability is not weakness. Good afternoon. I am Marcella Child, my life recently, and I stand before you not as someone who had it all figured out, but as someone who survived becoming herself. Looking back, there were times when I felt outdated, unsure, and constantly behind. I doubted my abilities. I questioned my worth. I asked myself, am I really capable of becoming more than this? At times, I wasn't the loudest achiever. I wasn't always the most confident. And sometimes, I came off tactless or distant. So my classmates, if I ever see need, please know that I care. I just didn't know how to show it gently. And through that realization, I understood something important. Not everyone who is strong knows how to be soft. And not everyone who looks empowered is not fighting battles inside. As my junior and senior high school truly recorded, it did more than teach me academic
Kuya,
lessons.
mag-English ako.
It taught me lessons
Kuya,
about
mag-English
myself.
ako.
Gradually, growth does not happen
Kuya,
overnight.
mag-English.
It happens in quiet breakdowns,
Nagtuon gid siya.
and late night battles, in tears you wipe away before anyone sees them, in choosing to show up the next day even when your heart feels heavy. That's why graduation is not always about medals, honors, or applause. It is about the silent wars we won within ourselves. It is about surviving pressure, heartbreaks, failures, and still standing